Beneath the waves, a symphony of clicks, whistles, and chirps fills the ocean. These aren't just random sounds, they're the voices of some of the sea's most intelligent inhabitants. Dolphins, those sleek and playful mammals, aren't just swimming through the depths. They're engaging in complex conversations we're only beginning to understand, cracking the code. For decades, scientists have been captivated by dolphin communication. It's a field that's evolved from the early, controversial work of John C. Lilly in the 1960s to today's cutting-edge research using artificial intelligence. We've come a long way from simply recognizing that dolphins make noise to realizing they might have a language as intricate as our own. Consider the groundbreaking work of researchers like Denise Herzing, who introduced underwater keyboards to interact with dolphins, or Denise Herzing, who spent her career studying Atlantic-spotted dolphins. Herzing's work has led her to speculate that dolphins might string together sentences in ways we're only beginning to decipher. What are dolphins saying? But what exactly are dolphins saying to each other? That's the million-dollar question. While we can't translate dolphin speak word for word, we're starting to piece together the themes of their underwater conversations. Food, danger, emotions, and identity all seem to be hot topics in the dolphin world. Imagine you're swimming along, minding your own business, when suddenly you're caught in a fishing net. What would you do? If you're a dolphin, you might call for help. That's exactly what researchers have observed dolphins using specific vocalizations that bring their pod mates swimming to the rescue. As Denise Herzing once noted after witnessing such an event, it's as if the spotted dolphin communicated to his buddies that he needed their help beyond sound body language and bubble talk. But it's not all SOS calls and danger alerts. Dolphins also use their voices to coordinate hunts, working together to corral fish with military precision. And just like us greeting a friend on the street, dolphins have been observed exchanging whistles when they meet, almost like saying, "Hey there, good to see you." Yet sound is only part of the story. Dolphins are masters of body language, using a whole repertoire of nonverbal cues to get their point across. A jaw clap might signal irritation, while a gentle fin caress could be a sign of affection. They even blow bubbles as a form of expression. Think of it as the dolphin equivalent of raising an eyebrow. In many ways, watching dolphins interact is like observing a group of people at a lively party. There's chatter, laughter, body language, and even the occasional disagreement. The parallels between dolphins' social behavior and our own are striking, reminding us of the complex emotional lives these animals lead. Can we talk back? But here's where things get really interesting. What if we could talk back? That's the dream driving researchers to develop everything from underwater soundboards to AI-powered translation devices. The goal isn't just to decode dolphin language, but to establish two-way communication. Imagine having a conversation with a being that's evolved in an environment so different from our own. What insights could we gain about their world, their thoughts, their perception of us? It's a tantalizing prospect, but one that comes with significant ethical considerations. As we push the boundaries of interspecies communication, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for what dolphins might have to say? This quest to understand dolphin language isn't just about satisfying scientific curiosity. It's about broadening our perspective on intelligence, communication, and what it means to be conscious. Every click, whistle, and gesture we decipher brings us closer to understanding not just dolphins, but the nature of language itself. As we dive deeper into the world of dolphin communication, we're not just learning about another species. We're learning about ourselves, our capacity for empathy, our drive to connect, and our place in the vast tapestry of life on Earth. In the end, decoding dolphin language isn't just about understanding their words, it's about learning to truly listen. The ocean is a noisy place, filled with the sounds of waves, marine life, and, increasingly, human activity. Amidst this cacophony, dolphins have evolved a sophisticated system of communication that allows them to navigate, hunt, and maintain complex social relationships. Their ability to produce and perceive a wide range of frequencies, some beyond human hearing, showcases the incredible adaptability of these marine mammals. But it's not just about the sounds they make. Dolphins are also masters of echolocation, using high-frequency clicks to create detailed sound pictures of their environment. This ability allows them to detect prey, avoid obstacles, and potentially even see inside the bodies of other animals. It's a sensory experience so alien to our own that it challenges our very understanding of perception. As we delve deeper into dolphin communication, we're discovering layers of complexity that rival human language. Take signature whistles. For instance, these unique vocalizations act like names, allowing dolphins to identify themselves and others. It's as if each dolphin has its own personal ringtone, a sonic fingerprint that announces its presence to the pod. But the sophistication doesn't stop there. Researchers have observed dolphins mimicking each other's signature whistles, possibly as a way of addressing specific individuals, much like how we use names in conversation. This level of referential communication was once thought to be uniquely human, but dolphins are showing us that the roots of language may run deep in the animal kingdom. The implications of these discoveries are profound. If dolphins possess a language with grammar, syntax, and the ability to convey abstract concepts, it would force us to reconsider our definitions of intelligence and consciousness. Are we alone in our ability to ponder our existence, or do dolphins engage in their own form of philosophical discourse beneath the waves? As we push forward with our attempts to communicate with dolphins, we must also grapple with the ethical implications of our research. How do we ensure that our interactions are on their terms, respecting their autonomy and natural behaviors? And if we do manage to establish meaningful two-way communication, what responsibilities do we have to our aquatic conversational partners? The journey to understand dolphin language is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a philosophical and ethical exploration that challenges our perceptions of intelligence, communication, and our place in the natural world. As we listen to the clicks and whistles echoing through the ocean, we're not just hearing animal sounds. We're witnessing the unfolding of a story millions of years in the making. In our quest to decipher the secret language of dolphins, we're learning valuable lessons about patience, persistence, and the importance of listening with an open mind. Every breakthrough, every new insight, brings us closer to bridging the gap between our world and theirs. As we stand on the cusp of potentially revolutionary advancements in interspecies communication, one thing becomes clear: the more we learn about dolphin language, the more we realize how much we still have to discover. It's a humbling reminder of the vast mysteries that still exist in our oceans and in the minds of the creatures we share this planet with. In the end, our efforts to understand dolphin communication are about more than just decoding a foreign language. They're about expanding our circle of empathy, recognizing the intelligence and emotional complexity of other species, and perhaps, in the process, becoming better stewards of our shared marine environment. As we continue to listen, learn, and attempt to converse with these remarkable creatures, we're not just unraveling the secret language of dolphins. We're embarking on a journey of self-discovery, challenging our assumptions about communication, consciousness, and what it truly means to understand one another. In the vast, blue silence of the ocean, we may just find answers to questions we haven't even thought to ask.